Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to actually capture is visible right now on your screen. Once that's the case, hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. Oops, try that again. There we go. You'll have this along with the pop-up, letting you also choose a scrollable screenshot and share the captured screenshot. Now it does disappear after a moment, so once it does so, you can find your screenshot in your Photos application. By default, you'd probably be located in the Photos tab right here, which you can find your screenshot here, but obviously you've been using this device for some time and the screenshot you're looking for has been captured some time ago. It will be somewhere down the list, a bit harder to find. So better option would be to navigate into the albums, and in here you'll find a screenshot album. Now in this album you actually also find screen recordings, as you can see, but it's still way more organized as it's only showing you screenshots and screen recordings in here. And here is the screenshot that I have captured just a moment ago. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.